guys, I'm Brittany Rivers and welcome to my channel. So today I'm taking you all through the installation and styling of this 26-inch 180% density HD you guys, 13x4 wig from Megalook. Okay, so Megalook did ask me to try this wig for you all on my channel, and y'all know I've worked with Megalook a few times and I just love them. Like, I definitely love their colored hair, and I mean this 1B wig is just giving too, and the lace is eating, you guys. But we are going to go ahead and get into this video. I hope you all enjoy it. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany, and let's get into this video. Okay guys, so here is the 26-inch loose wave wig from Megalook. So as you can see, there's the lace. The lace is giving HD. You know when the lace is like raggedy, let me use this side. When you see lace that has these loose strands on the end like this, that's how you know you have some good HD lace. So let me show you all the inside of this wig. It is actually a true 13x4. We love a good full 13x4 because I am getting tired of those lace frontals to where you just get a little bit of lace. So I'm happy to have this. But let's go ahead and put this wig on, you guys. Like, it is giving. Let's put it on. Okay, you guys, so I do have the wig on. I did hit it with a little lace tint in medium brown to make it match my skin tone a little more. This is by Kiss. I'm going to cut a slit with some scissors. These are like some little kindergarten scissors at each side of my temple. So right here, right here. Like, this is gonna be super fast. Like, look at that. I love, like, the hairline, I barely had to pluck it at all. So it did look a little more natural. Like, I feel like this wig does have like a natural feel. Like, look at that, it looks cute. Firstly, I'm going to kind of hot comb all of this hair backwards so none of this hair gets caught in my glue. I'm going to work in threes since now I have 3 different sections of my lace. So I'm gonna lift this section up and do the first layer. I'm going to do 3 layers of the even lace spray. So here's layer 1. And since I already did my makeup, I'm gonna kind of guide it with my finger where I want the spray to go so it isn't dripping all down my face or anything. Okay, so that's layer 1. We're gonna do the same thing. So this will be layer 2. And now we're gonna do layer 3. So on the 3rd layer, I do spray the lace spray. And then I'm just gonna put the lace down before I even blow dry the hair. I'm just gonna put it down where I want it to go. Blow dry. And I actually can go ahead and cut off the lace over here too. So if you guided the glue right, you should just be able to cut the lace off where you did not put glue. So make sure you all remember to free your ears. So you will have some excess lace covering your ear. So you're gonna have to cut off a little bit of the lace over here on each side of your ear, really. So don't be afraid to cut off the lace, and you might end up cutting out a little hair, and that's okay. Like, you gotta do that. You gotta do what you gotta do. So yes, now I want you all to know you could really do it either way. So I am going to go ahead and kind of just cut off the lace first, because it is kind of easier to cut the lace off first because you're not gluing this down anyway. So this time I'm just going to cut the lace off first. I feel like keeping the lace on there is easier when you're using like actual lace glue, but when you're dealing with spray, cutting the lace off first is way easier. So let's kind of, I'm just going to try to like kind of bend this part up and apply my spray. Let me catch it before it falls down. Catch it. And now we're gonna do layer 1. Okay, layer 2. And now layer 3. This is a really fast process, you guys. Like, it definitely takes like less than 10 minutes to install the wig. And I'm just using this comb to kind of put the lace down. This is something you have to do if you do cut the lace first instead of using your fingers, so your fingers don't get caught up in the glue and you have like a weird white cast on everything. So I think today it will be super cute to have a nice little side part look, because with a lot of 13x4s, you can't do a side part, but since this is a true 13x4, I actually have enough space to do my side part, and I've been missing a good side part for a while. I have been missing it, you guys. So, just going to kind of part the hair. So that's about where I usually like my side parts. And I'm going to mold the hair down to make sure it stays where I want it to stay. The lace already looks fire, and I didn't even like put the headband on it or anything yet. Firstly, my favorite thing about a side part is the little piece of baby hair. So let's create that piece of baby hair. Right here. And I'm just gonna take my razor and just trim it. And go in with a little gel. Or snot. Okay, it's already starting to give. Look at it, it's already coming together and it already looks so cute. I swear, when you add that little piece of baby hair, it just eats. But let me blow dry this to make sure it stays. Look at this, this is already eating. But I do want my parts to be way more apparent than this and a lot thicker. So I am going to pluck out these hairs a little bit with my tweezers to make my part a little wider and to have like that nice curve shape you like in a side part. Like, we want a nice little curve to it. I like a wig with a little bit of curve, as Megan would say, you guys. I don't know, I just had to say that, but you know, a little curve. And I'm gonna go in with a little makeup to make it just eat. Like, I feel like my energy just completely changes when I get my hair to how I want it to be. Now I'm like, it's eating. And I just feel like I haven't had a good side part in a minute. The makeup I'm using on this wig is just LA Girl Pro Concealer. Like, that's all I use this concealer for now. I am going to cut just a few layers in this hair, just up front right here, so it can really like frame my face when I do curl this hair, because next we are gonna curl the hair, because what is a nice side part without just some bomb cutesy curls, of course. So I'm just going to take this section of my hair and I'm using a razor comb and just framing my face a little bit with this. So you see, I got this piece right here. It's pretty short and then it gets a little longer. And then I'm also gonna do the same on this side. And those are the pieces of hair that I know I want layered. And as I curl the hair and I see more, then I will add more layers. So let's go ahead and curl this hair. I'm just gonna one curl this hair today, like nothing crazy, just one curling. So I'm going to put the curling iron right here and curl it backwards, wrap it towards the back. Like, okay, I am in love with this side part. Like, I miss them so much. Like, they just haven't been hitting the same. Like, I'm so happy to have this much lace space. And it is a plus that this is a HD wig too. I don't have clips right now. I don't believe I have them. But if you want to, you can also clip this hair. Like, clip it up like that. And then you can finish curling the rest of your hair. Now I'm gonna just kind of take these pieces and go. I feel like these curls don't have to be perfect. It's just adding a little extra to the hair. So, you know, if I wanted it to be perfect, I would probably clip up my hair and probably start from the back. But I'm just doing something really quick and really cutesy. Like, I feel like middle parts are more so everyday. A side part just is classy. Like, look at this. Like, I look, like I just love it. And this last piece, we are going to kind of curl it in a different way. So, let's see. We just kind of wrap it around and wrap it back. If you see how I did that, I know it's kind of fast. So you're gonna curl in a little bit of a different direction. But we are finally on the last curl, you guys. So right here, I like to have like a little hump and then for it to come down in front of my face. So that's what I'm going to show you all how I usually do now. But we are kind of scooping the hair up. Scoop the hair up and then let go. Just let it go. And I'm kind of also guiding it with my finger. Like, do you see the little swoop I did now? Like, I love that on a side part. And that is the finished look, you guys. Like, I love the looseness of it and I don't know, this lace just eats. I missed having a full 13x4 frontal. Like, I missed that so much. Like, I just, like, if you all watch my earlier videos, you know I always had a side part. But when they stopped giving us all that lace, I wasn't able to have it anymore. So, I love it, I love it, I love it. It's giving, it's giving, it's giving. So 26 inches comes to my waist, which I feel like this is a nice, fun, natural length. But like, I love it. Like, a side part is just very grown and sexy. So I'm going to link this wig in the description box, of course. But I hope you all enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany, and have a great day, you guys. Bye.